So student, as you know that we are discussing about the excretory system of man. Okay, so excretory system of vertebrate consists including mammals is formed of kidneys, one pair of kidneys you can see on your screen, two kidneys are there, one pair of ureters you can see two pipelines which comes from that area. Okay, and a urinary bladder and one urethra. Okay, the four are the major part of the human excretory system, and yesterday only we had discussed about the kidneys, the normal structure of kidney we had discussed. Okay, so you all know that ultimately kidneys are composed of 1 million of uriniferous or renal tubules or nephrons. Clear? Nephrons are connected together with connective tissues, and they are the major main area where filtration takes place. Okay, so today we will discuss about the ureters and then urinary bladder and then urethra. Okay, so we will start from here. Ureters, these basically ureters, they are one pair of long, and the length of them is 25 to 30 centimeter. 25 to 30 centimeter. They are narrow, muscular or tubular structure. They arising from where? From the hilum. As I told you yesterday, the internal part, it is known as the hilum of the kidney. By the upper border part is known as the renal pelvis. ओके, रेनाल पेल्विस से बेटा यूरेटर जुड़ा हुआ रहता है. ओके, द यूरेटर्स रन बैकवर्ड अलोंग डोर्सल बॉडी वॉल एंड ओपन इन डोर्सल वॉल टू द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. You can see it connected to kidney from the hilum part, and then it opens into the urinary bladder. Okay, so main thing about the ureters are lined by transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. Okay, it lined by transitional epithelium. What is the function of this ureters? The main function of ureters is by peristalsis. These conduct the urine from kidney. Peristalsis, you know very well. When anything moves through the pipes inside the body, this movement is known as the peristalsis. Okay, so it collects urine from the kidney, and it just collected towards the urinary bladder. Now the next thing we will discuss about the urinary bladder. I hope ureters are clear. Now come to the urinary bladder. It is a large thin walled area, pear shaped. Can you see? It is a pear shaped, present in the pelvis region of our abdominal cavity. Clear? It lined by children smooth muscles, and these smooth muscles are called detrusor muscles. They are very important, children. Again, they are lined by transitional epithelium, and these epithelium is also known as the urothelium. Can you remember it? Urothelium or transitional epithelium. Okay, it having the upper broader part, and this is known as the body of bladder. Upper broader part, you can see the upper part is broader, that's why it is known as the body of bladder. Okay, and it concerned with the storage of urine. But the lower part, you can see it's a narrower, and it is known as the neck of the bladder. Okay, and it is with internal urethral orifice, from where urethra originate, and origin is guarded by two sphincters are there, and these two sphincters are known as the inner smooth muscle fiber and outer striated muscle fiber. That's why what happened that we are having the control when we feel pressure of urine. But while sneezing time or while coughing time, if you have very tough cough or sneeze, that time a small amount of urine passed from the body. Why? Because that time the smooth muscle fibers, which is inner side, two sphincters are present, children, here. In this region, two sphincters are present. The inner one is made up of the smooth muscle fiber, and outer one is striated muscle fiber. We control over the striated muscle fiber. Okay, at that time, our body gets to be loosened. A small amount of urine comes out from this area. Otherwise, they are in our control. Okay. Now, the come to the next point, it is about the urethra, the last one area of the human excretory system, urethra. It is a muscular and tubular structure which extend from neck of the bladder off to outside. In female, it's about 4 centimeter long. In female, it's of 4 centimeter long. Okay, but in man, it is of 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter long. Okay, or it is having a common, in case of male, it is of the urinogenital canal which opens through the tip of the penis. Okay, it is common passes for urine as well as the seminal fluid. In case of male, one common organ is there for passing of urine as well as seminal fluid, or but in female there is the external urethral orifice from where above the vagina, and from there only the urethra opens out. Okay, so it's about the excretory system of man. In our next class we will discuss about the structure of a nephron. Thank you.